Tentative date sheet of all buys in Punjab for inter-annual exams 2023. Class 12th, 22 May 2023 English, 24 May 2023 Computer, Chemistry on 25th May 2023, Biology and Math on 27th May 2023, Physics 29th May 2023, Urdu 31st May 2023, Pak Study 2 June 2023. Good luck, second year. First year 6 June 2023 expected paper English, Computer 8th June 2023, Chemistry 9th June 2023, Physics 12th June 2023, Bio and Math 15th June 2023, Islamiyat 17th June 2023, Urdu 19th June 2023, Tarjamatul Quran 20th June 2023. Wish you good luck to all intermediate students. Thank you for watching and subscribe my channel for more info.